Bhiva.
अन्वय second line ततीरिता and चित अंतः अन्यत् स्मरति स्वयं and च विस्मरति.
वासनाः मोहा चित्चेतना स्पंदम आयान्ति. वासनाः स्पंदम आयान्ति. Vasanas function on account of what? It says chit chetanat mohat. It should be taken this way. Chitaha on the mohat, mohat chitaha chetyakara chetanat means chetanat means pratipatti lakshana. I will explain that. It should be taken chit chetya chetana mohat means mohat chitaha chetyakara chetanat. Chetanat means pratipatti lakshana. Pratipatti lakshana. So moha, what is moha here? Swarupa ajnanakritam moham. Moha, delusion, which is effected by ignorance of one's own swarupa. Swarupa ajnana swarupasya ajnanakritam moham. By that moha, chitaha. Chitaha means of chit swarupa. Who is chit? Devaha. Don't forget, Devaha. Chit only can be Deva. Nothing Sakara can be Deva. So that is the Chitaha. Chitaha. Chetyakara Chetana. Chetyakara is Vishayakara, appearance and Vishaya. Which are Chetanat means Pratipatti Lakshana. Pratipatti is Prapti Lakshana. Characterized by the Vishayakara appearance of Chit, in the sense Bahirmukhata of Chit, extrovertedness of the Chit. Chit going after the Chetya Vishaya. So that activates the Vasana. So therefore, to gain knowledge, first of all, you have to settle account with this Chitaha Chetyakara Chetana means Chitaha Bahirmukhata. So that has to be, and how it has to be? Paurusha Prayatnena, by industrious effort. Why? You have to now work against the normal current. You have to work against the normal current. This is what is that? Paranchikhani vyatrinat swayambhuhu tasmat paran pashyati na antaratma. The Creator has created the senses extrovert. Why? To give the bhoga of papa, punya, etc. But if you want to gain the knowledge, you have to revert this process. That is what is that? Kaschid dhiraha swatmanam aiksha. So, avritta chakshuhu, having withdrawn itself from this natural pursuit. So he says somebody can do such in the case. This Bahirmukhata has to be checked first. So Spandam Vasanaha Spandam Ayati. Therefore, then what happens? Tadirita Chit. Tadirita, this compound has to be resolved like Taihi Vasanaihi Irita Prerita Chit. Chit prompted by the Vasana. Taihi Vasanaihi Irita means Prerita Chit. So means Chit prompted by Vasana. You see, what does it do? So Chit Antaha Anyat Smarati. Antaha, it is Antakarana Bhujam Anyat Smarati. What is Anyat? Other than itself. What is other than Chit? Anatma, Vishayas. So Antaha, in Antakarana, in the mind, what does it do? Anyat means Anatma Vastuni. Anatma Vastu Smarati. And do you know what it does? Swayam cha Vismarati. Swayam, its Swarupa, it forgets. You need not go anywhere to verify. All of us are doing the all of us are doing this same thing only. Anyat Vishaya Smarana Swa Vismarana. So this is what is the Swayam. So therefore what is to be done is this Chit Chetana has to be checked. That extrovertedness of the Chit has to be checked. Now, this is what we say that the person is now, this is continuing.
Rutpadmapatra Surana Putam Puryashtakam Bhavet Rutpadmayantre Vahanat Ruddhe Puryashtakam Shayi. Advaya Rutpadmapatra Puranat Puryashtakam Sputam Bhavet Rutpadmayantre Vahanat Ruddhe Puryashtakam Kshayi as Bhavati.
See now, what we already seen the sequence of the causes. So here he gives in the reverse order. Vasanas are functioning, we already seen. So what does it do? It makes the Padmayantra function. Padmayantra makes function who? The Puryashtaka, Prana and that subtle body. So let's say Rit Padma Patra Spurana. Well, because what that Smarana, Spurana. Before that, Vasana Spanda gives rise to Smriti. Smriti of what? Bhokta, Bhogya, Bhoga. And what does it do? That Smarana, Rit Padma Patra Spurana. You can make a note there. Rit Padma is Rittha Padma Patra. Rittha means no correction, it is only clarification. Rit Padma Patra means Rittha Padma Patra. Rittha means Hridi Sthita Padma Patra. Hridi Sthita Padma Patra. So Hridi Sthita Padma Patra. So the Padma Patra we already see the mechanism. which is abiding where? In the Hridaya. So in the Hridaya. Hridi, Sita Purana by its function, Puryashtakam Sputam Bhavi. Puryashtaka, Linga Sharira, manifest, means it starts functioning, manifest. So Sputam Bhavi, manifest. If Hrid Padma Patra doesn't function, Puryashtaka cannot function, it cannot manifest. Say therefore, Hrid Padma Yantre Vahanat Ruddhe. Ruddhe, Samruddhe, Niruddhe, stop. If this Hrid Padma Yantra, this mechanism is stopped from its function, Vahanat Ruddhe. Vahanat means Chalanat, Spuranat. Vahanat is Chalanat, Spuranat. Ruddhe, stop. Puryashtakam Kshayi Bhavati. Puryashtaka means what? The Sukh Sharira become Kshayi. Kshayi means Nashtam Bhavati. No more, Nashtam is not totally. No more function. It's no more function. Kshayi Bhavati. If Puryashtaka no more functions, what happens? Keep bamboos ready. Ram Naam Sat Hai. So, physical possession has to be started. So, continuing.
Dehe Puryashtakam Yavat. Dehe Puryashtakam Yavat. Asti Tavat Sajivati. Asti Tavat Sajivati. Shante Puryashtake Deha. Shante Puryashtake Deha. Bruta Ityuchyate Dvija. Bruta Ityuchyate Dvija. Anvaya. Dehe Yavat Puryashtakam Asti Tavat Saha Jivati. Dvija Puryashtake Shante Devaha Brutaha Iti Uchyate.
Dehe Yavat Puryashtakam Asti. Yavat, so long as Puryashtaka, Linga Sharira, Sukh Sharira is there where? In the Deha. Till then, say, what happens? Saha, Saha means Tavat, Tavat, till then, Saha, that Deha, Saha means that Devaha, Deha, Jivati, lives. He is alive. So long as Sukh Sharira, that what switch provided here. In this embodiment. So that is, so long as the Sukh Sharira is there in the embodiment, that body, what lives, it is alive. Then what happens? O Dvija, Dvija, Brahmana, addressed to Vashishta, Puryashtake Shanti. Puryashtaka has stopped functioning, means it has left the body, or it has stopped functioning. Puryashtake Shanti, Puryashtake Shanti, Deha Brutaha Iti Uchyate. It is said that the person is dead. See, for example, our definition of death is very clear. What is it? Puryashtaka, Sukh Sharira, no more function. Medical science is still to define death. Either the brain stops or the heart stops. Still they have not come to a final decision as here. That means this fellow will not return back. Will not return back to the same body. If he returns back, means he has not departed. Oh, thousands. Yes, at times it happens, after some long time it happens. Means it has not yet gone, it was something was there, some gadgad was there. Now, why does that Sukh Sharira stop functioning? The sequence is there, that is all. But what makes that stop? That is what causes of Deha Tyaga. You may say Prarabdha, but from the external standpoint, what has caused to give up the body, the causes of Deha Tyaga are being now described. Continue.
Dehe puryashtakam yavat.
Next. Viruddhamala.
Viruddhamala sambodha. Cheda bheda dashavacha. Naktat purati rutpadma. Yantramabhyantare yada. Tada puryashtakam shantim. Upaiti gagane shanaihi. Saurodite vatayantre. Yatha pavana santatihi. Anvaya. Viruddhamala sambodhat. Cheda bheda dashavashat. Yada rutpadma yantram abhyantare na praspurati tada puryashtakam shanaihi gagane shantim upaiti yatha vatayantre saurodhite pavana santatihi as shantim eti.
This is Deha Tyaga because of this. Viruddha Mala Sambodha. Sambodha is Prakopa, going in haywire, disturbance, or what is called as imbalance of what? Viruddha Mala. Opposing Mala. What are those? According to Ayurveda, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Not confined to that only. Raga, Dveshadi, Vasana, Mala also. Vata, Kapha, Pitta, and Raga, Dveshadi, Vasana, these are the Mala. When there is Prakopa, some disorderliness there, so that is there, then what happens? So that is Prakopa, means malfunctioning is there. Because of malfunctioning of these, Viruddha Sambodha, that is again, Cheda Bheda Dashavasha. On account of such condition, Cheda Bheda, cut, split of the body is cut or the body is split, like accidents, etc. So that is there. They Cheda Bheda by weapon or accident, etc. Deha Cheda, and therefore Bheda is there, Bheda Dashavashat, on account of the Yada when Rit Padma Yantram Abhyantare Naspurati. That mechanism which activates the prana and Puryashtaka no more functioning. It may be like a shock or something, God knows what it is. Shiva only knows it. Yoga Shastra may know it. Yoga Shastra knows it. Because Padma Yantra is a Yoga Shastra, this is the mechanism discovered by Yoga Shastra. Of course, originally from Ishvara only. Any knowledge is from whom? Ishvara. So there is Padma Patra, Hrit Padma Patre, Abhyantare. Abhyantare means in this specific body. In the body where the Sukh Sharira was embodied, where it's the present embodiment of the Jiva. So Abhyantare, inside means inside the body. Na praspurati, doesn't function. Then, you know what happens? Tada Puryashtakam, Sukh Sharira, Shanaihi, not suddenly, slowly, Shantim Upaiti. Shanti Upaiti means ceases to function. Ceases to function. Where Shantim Upaiti? Gagane Shantim Upaiti. Ceases to Shantim Upaiti means stops, functions. Where Gagane. What is this Gagana? Hrud Vyoma Vayu. We can make Gagana means Akasha. But from stanza 37 we can make it out. It is Hrud Vyoma Vayu means Vayu abiding in Hridaya Akasha means Prana abiding in the Hridaya. Prana abiding in the Hridaya. That is Gagane. Gagana is Hrud Vyoma Vayu means Prana abiding in the Harda Akasha, Hridaya Akasha. That is what Gagana Shantim Upaiti. For which an illustration is given. Yatha, just as Vatayantre Saurodhite. Vatayantra is fan. When the fan is stopped, the resultant breeze is stopped. No more. So long as the fan functions, that what is there? Breeze is there. Fan stopped, breeze also stopped. Pavana Santiti. Pavana Santiti means breeze. Shanti Meti stops. It's Shanti Eti. It stops. So now, how this Chit has ordered all these Marana etc. Because of its Sankalpa. What is that Sankalpa? Anena Jivenatmana Anupravisha Itaha Tisraha Devataha Anena Jivenatmana Anupravisha Namarupani Vyakaravani. Whose Sankalpa it was? Sat Swarupa Chit only. See, where did we are landed? Why did it do that Sankalpa? Why did it do that Sankalpa? Not knowing. Chandogya. Yesterday we have seen that. Chandogya. So that is that. So therefore I say this. Because of one Sankalpa, of course, that is original Sankalpa. Now our Sankalpa. Our Sankalpa means so, Jiva, individual Jiva Sankalpa. What is the Jiva? Chitaha Chetyonmukhata. Extraordinary. Because of this, such an helplessness it has ordered. Continue.
Swatam Vittivasa Jivaha Vaivashyamupagacchati Padmayantram Sharirastham Pravaham Yati Nityada Vasana Vimala Yesham Hridayannapasarpati Sthiraikarupa Jivase जीवन्मुक्ता चिरायुषः अन्वय शरीरस्थं पद्मयन्त्रं नित्यदा प्रवाहं याति किंतु स्वसंवित्तिवशात् जीवः वैवश्यम् उपगच्छति येषां हृदयात् विमला वासना नापसर्पति ते स्थिरैकरूपजीवाः जीवन्मुक्ताः चिरायुषः.
Literal this. The first line take as it is and rest all anvaya as it is. Kintu to be connected to yesha, hridaya, etc. Sharirastham, first swasamvitti vasha jivaha vaivashyam upagacchati, one vakya. Then sharirastham padmayantram nityada pravaham yati, add kintu, then next verse yesham hridaya, etc. as it is. See, this jiva, you see here now what is done is contrast between jnani and ajnani is done. How jnani suffers because of what, and how jnani gets freed from this samsara suffering. Swasamvitti vashat, swasamvitti vashat, swasya samvitti, swasamvitti. What is samvitti here? Sankalpa. So you see, this samvitti word you have to be very careful. Samvitti, any cognition is samvitti. But samvit word also uses for chaitanya, that is pure chaitanya also it is used. But here sankalpa, by one's own sankalpa. What is that? Idam me astu, let me have this, because of extrovertedness, sankalpa. See, on account of that, svasamvitti vasha jivaha vaivashyam yati, becomes helpless because vaivashya here is getting subjected to thousands of sorrows like marana, janma, jara, adhi, vyadhi, all these. Maranadi dukkha sahasram, vaivashyam, meanness, wretchedness, helplessness in terms of thousands of sorrows beginning from death onwards. So that's the vaivashyam upajagati. Now, the contrast between ajnani and jnani. In the case of ajnani, it is like this. Sharirastham padmayatriyantram nityada pravaham yati. The padmayantra, that mechanism in the sharira, where it is? Hritha padmayantra. What does it do? It has got always the power supply of what? Smarana. And smarana given by who? Vasana. Vasana because of what? Ajnana krita, that is cheton mukhata, that is what? Extraordinary. This is always this power, no uninterrupted power supply. No interruption like just now it was there. No power cut, no load shedding, nothing. No load shedding, nothing as such. Uninterrupted power supply is there. So as a result what happens? This Padma Yantra never stops. Nityada, always. You see, Padmayantram pravaham vyati. It is always on the flow, means it is always on the chalana, move, always running, always functioning. Kintu, whereas in the case of who, says, Yesha Hridaya Vimalaha Vasana, not Vimalaha, Vimala Vasana Na Apasarpati. Because in the case of Ajnani, those vasanas were Malina Vasana. Malina Vasana means Samsara Bandhana Vasana. But in whose bosom, it says, Yesha Hridaya Vimalaha Vasanaha. Vimalaha Vasanaha means that is it. Ragadi Malarahitaha Vasanaha. Those which are free from Raga, Dvesha, Bhoga, Adi, Malina Vasanas are not there. So that means Yesham Hridaya Vimala Vasana Na Apasarpati, do not go away. Means what does it mean? Those in whose bosom Bhoga Vasanas are not there. What are not there? Bhoga Vasanas are there. Why Bhoga Vasanas are not there? Bhoga Sankalpa is not there. That's all that is. Swasamvitti Vashat. Swasamvitti was what? Bhoga Sankalpa Vashat. Because of Bhoga Sankalpa. Sankalpa was Bhoga Sankalpa. Here, because of absence of Bhoga Sankalpa, it says what happens? Na Mrityu Vashyata. Not coming under the control of Mrityu Rupa, Samsara, Mrityu, Dukkha, etc. is not there. So in whose bosom, from whose bosom, the what Na Apasarpati, do not go away. Vimala Vasana Na Apasarpati means Bhoga Vasanas are not there. So that being the case, so such person, what they do? Te Sthiraika Rupa Jivaha. Those jivas who are sthira Ekarupa. Ekarupa is Atma Rupa, means who are sthira in Atma Swarupa, which is Ekarupa. So they are what? Jivan Muktaha. Even though they are in the embodiment, their mind is absorbed in the Swarupa. They are Chirayushaha. Chirayushaha means here, not that they live long, etc. They are free from death. Why free from death? Not for the body. Atma Swarupa. Atma Swarupa. What is the contrast now? Ajnani who have got Swasamvitti. Swasamvitti is what? Bhoga Samvitti. Bhoga Sankalpa. In their case, Padma Yantra always functioning, because what? All the propelling factors or powers are there for that. In terms of Smarana, Vasana Spanda, Ajnana Krita, what is that? Ajnana Krita, Chitaha, Chaitya Mukhata, extraordinariness of the Chit on account of Ajnana. All propelling factors are there. They get subjected to this process, dukkha of marana, etc. Whereas those in whose case, because of Vimala Vasana, what Vasana here is? Vasana for moksha, etc. The Vasana for Bhoga, is Bhoga Sankalpa is not there. Because of that, so what happens? Their mind is absorbed in the Ekarupa Atma Swarupa. They are Jiva Muktaha. Therefore, they are Chirayushaha. Chirayusha means free from samsara, characterized by Mrityu, free from Mrityu Rupa samsara. So now, when the Padmapatra stops, pranas no more function, Suksha Sarira no more function, body is a dead mass, Continue.
संवृद्धे पद्मयन्त्रे प्राणे शान्तिमुपागते देहः पतत्य धैर्योऽयम् काष्ठलोष्टसमक्षितौ अन्वय पद्मयन्त्रे संवृद्धे प्राणे हि शान्तिम् उपागते अयम् अधैर्यः देहः काष्ठलोष्टसमः क्षितौ पतति
Padmayantre Sauruddhe. When these two things take place, Padmayantra Sauruddha means stop. It has ceased its function. Now you be familiar with the Padmayantra, Padmapatra or Padmayantra. That means mechanism in the Hridaya, which activates the Prana Suksharira. So Padmayantre Samruddhi, and as a result of it, Pranehi Shanti Mupagate. Pranas also have ceased to function. Pranas have merged, Shanti Mupagate means they have merged with Tejaha, fire principle, Upagate. Do you know what happens? Ayam Adhairyaha Deha. This body becomes, Adhairya means unstable, without firmness. Body which has no firmness. No? Why say no? Person collapsed, we say no? Suddenly collapsed. Suddenly collapsed means what? Body fell down. So that is which has instability, which has no stability. So that is this ayam deha, this deha. What deha? Adhairyaha deha, which is unstable, which has no stability, which is no firm. So which is collapsing. What happens? And which has collapsed. Where is the question? Collapsing. Which has collapsed. It becomes what? Kashta loshta samaha kshitau patati. Kshitau patati. It collapses. Where? Falls. Where? On the earth, ground. How? Kashta loshta samaha. Like wood or lump of clay. Means what? Inert. That is inert. So this is what is called as what? Dehatyaga of the chit. Dehatyaga of the chit. We'll see further. Om
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः वो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ हरि ओम